So ayan, hello guys, good morning. Isang napakagandang umaga na naman po ngayon. Thank you Lord. So ayan, for 2 weeks now, part po ng aking daily routine na ang pagbabasa ho ng Bible, pagde-devotion, and all. Kasi guys, alam niyo pag sinimulan natin yung araw natin na kasama si Lord, grabe, perfect, full of positivity. And nagiging part din po ng aking routine ang yan, mag-pray ho talaga. So ayan, magpasalamat sa Diyos and mag-affirmation po. Grabe guys, napagandang start yun ng ating umaga. So ayan, samahan nyo ako. And right now, tayo po ay ayan, nagluluto ng ating kakainin kasi kaya tayo maaga for today dahil tayo po ay may work. And dahil dyan, yung atin din hong alaga ay napakaagang gumising, kaya naman maaga din ho tayong gigising for today's video. So ayan, samahan nyo ako sa araw ko. So, ayan. And good morning sa lahat po ng mga tao dyan. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, kung ano man po yung oras nyo right now there sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas o mundo. So, ayan guys, I just woke up and I think, it's 5 in the morning here sa San Mateo. And it is actually my routine. It is my body routine, my body clock na gising ko talaga is 5 in the morning. So, ayan. And let's prepare today kasi tayo po ay work for today's video. Even though it's weekend, pero I choose to make it more productive. Kaya, even though ano lang naman siya, sa morning lang naman po yung work natin. So, yan. And I hope guys you all have a fine day there and have a blessed day. And I'm just glad na tawag dito. Ano ba yan? Gising-gising. Na konta ko na po yung family ko sa summer. And guys, sa lahat po ng mga nasalanta ng bagyo, sa lahat po ng mga bumabangon right now, guys, kaya natin to. Walang binigay na hindi natin kakayanin. Just let us all pray na matapos na to and bangon tayong muli. Okay? Well, praying for you guys and nais ko lang magpasalamat din na lahat po tayo ay safe. Though, ang dami pong nasira, ang daming mga kabahayan ang nawala, ang daming mga kabahayan ang nasira. Of course, I'm so sad about that. Magkabalita ko doon. And actually, my family was also safe there, thank God. Ang daming nasira, ang daming yung daanan, hindi na halos makita. Grabe. That was just siguro a reminder to all of us. And let's all pray for na everything will be fine. Okay? Let's all think positive for the situation or in every situation. Diba? Every struggle, every challenges, laging may tinuturo po yan sa atin. Let's just think the positive way or let's just focus more on the positive way instead of the problem. Or let's focus more on making a solution to that problem. Diba? So, ayun guys, and magpe-prepare na po tayo. Please, samahan niyo po ako for today's video. And, ayan, let's all have a positive and a good morning. Diba? Have a nice day, guys. So, please tune in. Diba? Again, it's me, Kat. Hello! So, ayun guys, samahan niyo ako magluto ng ating agahan for today. Okay. Guys, let's eat. Diba? But before that, let's yan guys, pagkatapos po ng lahat-lahat, tayo po ay papasok na sa ating trabaho. So yan po ang aming nilalakad papuntang work. Diba guys, sobrang tahimik, sobrang ganda. So ayan, see you! So ayan, for today's video, kakauwi lang po namin galing work. So right now, it is my nap time, diba? Kasi later on, by 3 p.m., I have a meeting with my team kung saan meron kaming training at some sort. So, ayan, after work naman, grabe, productive yung araw natin for today, di ba? So, ayan, may meeting po tayo with the team kung saan nag-share po ang isa sa leader ho ng aming company na sobra naman talagang nakapag-share ng mga knowledge and learnings po para sa aming lahat. So, ayan, I'm just so glad that productive yung araw natin for today. Thank you, Lord. Siyempre, hindi naman natin hahayaan na hindi magiging productive yung araw natin, di ba? Kahit ano-ano man po yung mga ginagawa natin, let's make it sure na productive tayo. Para naman, yun, at least may meaning yung bawat araw natin. Sabi pa nga palagi ng mentor ko, make the most of your day. Di ba? So, I make the most today. Thank you, Lord. And I'm just so proud of myself. Kasi, araw-araw tayong bumabangon, araw-araw tayong lumalaban, araw-araw din po tayo nagsisikap para matupad po natin lahat ng ating mga pangarap. Diba? So, ayan. See you soon, guys, in my next video. And thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my short videos. So, ayan. I'm Kat here in San Mateo. See you soon.